how to create your first program. So click File, New, Source File, then Sample Program. Then number sign, include IOStream, then int main, next std cout double less than hello world. Next, return 0. To run your program, click execute, then run or F10. Source file is not compiled. Compile now. Then we have here, save your file as sample CPP. Okay, so the output is hello world. Press any key to continue. So in our program, we have here /sample program. So the use of this statement is a comment. Okay. Comments are intended for the person reading the code to better understand the functionality of the program. So it is also completely ignored by the C++ compiler. Okay, this helps us to indicate what the statement means. Next, we have here include number sign or sharp sign, include IOStream. So it is a preprocessor directive used to include files in our program. So the above code is including the contents of the IOStream file. So take note that the IOStream file allows to use the cout in our program to print output on the screen. Next, the int main. Int main is a valid C++ program must have an int main function. So the main is our main function. So the curly braces indicate the start and the end of our program. The execution of code begins from this function. Next, we have the standard cout or the std cout. This one. The use of this statement is to print the content inside the quotation marks. So it must be followed by double less than, followed by format string. In our example, we have hello world is the format string. Then next we have the semicolon symbol. So the semicolon symbol is used to indicate the end of the statement. And next, we have the return 0 status, or the return 0 statement is the exit status of the program. In simple terms, the program ends with this statement. So this is only a simple program.